Concept of blood relations, the most important topic in reasoning. So family or blood relationship, it means the persons connected by relations like father, mother, son, daughter, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, father-in-law, and so on. So we'll be having different types of questions on blood relationship. We'll see a simple example of a question on blood relationship to understand the concept. So look at example 1. So introducing Neeta, Anil said, she is wife of my mother's only son. So how is Neeta related to Anil? A simple question. She is wife of my mother's only son. So Anil's mother only son is Anil himself. So Neeta is Anil's wife. So you need to try like this. We'll see another example. Ram is the father of Kusha, but Kusha is not his son. Mala is the daughter of Kusha. Shalaka is the spouse of Ram. Gopal is the brother of Kusha. Hari is the son of Gopal. Meena is the spouse of Gopal. Ganpat is the father of Meena, who is the granddaughter of Ram. So for this you need to draw a simple diagram. Look at that. So you need to prepare a simple relationship diagram like this, which clearly depicts the relationships which are mentioned in the question. So Hari is the son of Gopal. Meena is the spouse of Gopal. And Ganpat is the father of Meena. Shalaka is the spouse of Ram. So based on this, look at the thing. Now what we are supposed to find out, who is the granddaughter of Ram? So Mala is the daughter of Kusha and Ram is the father of Kusha. So Mala is the granddaughter of Ram. So this is some common terms. So parent can be a mother or father. Child can be son or daughter. Sibling, brother or sister. And spouse. So what are the basic relationships? Aunt, uncle, niece and nephew. Uncle can be father's brother, mother's brother, father's sister's husband, or mother's sister's husband. And similarly, aunt. Children of aunt or uncle are called cousins. So involving the term in-law indicates the relationship is by marriage and not by blood. So in-law will be a blood relative of the spouse. Father-in-law, mother-in-law, son-in-law and daughter-in-law. Father-in-law is the father of spouse. Mother-in-law is the mother of spouse. If the parents get divorced and remarry, then their new spouses are called step parents, not mother-in-law and father-in-law. The husband of daughter is son-in-law. The wife of son is a daughter-in-law. If the spouse has children from a previous marriage, and those are called stepchildren, not son-in-law or daughters-in-law. See the different meanings of a brother-in-law and sister-in-law. So grand and great. A person, the first generation, below him is children, the next generation, children of children. So who would be called grandchildren of that person? The next generation children would be called great grandchildren. Similarly, a person, the first generation above him would be that of his father or mother. The next generation above him would be parents of the parents, who would be called grandparents. The next generation parents would be called great grandparents. Half sibling and step relations. And these are not very common in bank exams basically, but I am just giving the things clearly. Half sibling, half brother or half sister is a sibling with one shared biological parent. So when a parent remarries, the new spouse is the stepfather or stepmother of any children from the previous marriage. Look at a simple example. Martha could have a stepsister. So we have two ways. If Martha's mother marries second time and her new husband, that is Martha's new stepfather, already has a daughter from the previous marriage, and that daughter is Martha's stepsister because one of her parents is married to one of Martha's parents. If Martha's father marries second time and his new wife already has a daughter, and that daughter is again Martha's stepsister. The same rule for stepbrother also. So we'll see some common relations and the terms used. Grandfather's or grandmother's only son is father. Grandfather's or grandmother's only daughter-in-law is mother. So like this, go through the entire table. So we have different types of questions they'll be asking in various competitive exams. One type is mixed up relations. So we'll see some simple example. Pointing to Ajay, Radha said, his father is the only son of my grandfather. So how is Radha related to Ajay? As I told you, we need to prepare a simple diagram. So Radha's grandfather's only son is Ajay's father. So Ajay's father is also father of Radha. So Radha is Ajay's sister. Only son of my grandfather means my father. And his father is the only son of my grandfather, becomes his father of my father. So Radha is Ajay's sister. Lalita said to Tina, so you are the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son. So how is Lalita related to Tina? You are the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son. So my father's only son is my brother, that is Lalita's brother. So Tina is daughter-in-law of grandmother of Lalita's brother. So who is Tina now? Tina can be their mother, so wife of grandmother's only son. And it's not mentioned that the grandmother has only one son. So Tina can be wife of grandmother's other son. So Tina can be aunt. Amar said, I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son. So whose photograph was that? So Amar has no brother or sister. So his father's son is the man himself. So the man who is talking is the father of the man in the photograph. So the photograph is his son's. So we have another type, coded type. So look at that things. P plus Q means P is father of Q. P minus Q, P is wife of Q, and P multiplied Q means P is brother of Q, and P by Q means P is daughter of Q. If something is given like this. So look at example 1. A by C plus D plus B. You need to find the relation. So you need to prepare a diagram like this. So A is daughter of C, and who is father of D? And D is father of B. So A is sister of D. So how A is related to B? A is aunt of B. So another example, A minus D plus B. So A minus D. So A is wife of D. And who is father of B? So A is mother of B. So we have another example, A minus C multiplied by D. So A minus C, A is wife of C. C is brother of D. That multiplication symbol, brother of D. So A is sister-in-law of D. So A multiplied by B minus C. So A multiplied by B. A is brother of B. And B minus C, who is wife of C. So A is brother-in-law of C. So we'll see a few more examples. Sunny said, Nikita is the daughter of my mother's daughter. So how is related to Sunny? Nikita is the daughter of my mother's daughter. So look at the diagram. Sunny's mother's daughter is Nikita. So how Nikita is related to Sunny? Sunny is the uncle of Nikita. So pointing to a woman, Rima said, she is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son. She is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son. So look at the diagram. Grandmother of my father only son. So Rima's father and Rima's grandmother, and what is a woman? Woman is daughter-in-law of grandmother. It's Rima's mother.